Hello lovely viewers, you are most welcome to our channel Poetry Online. In this lesson, we shall be discussing how to replace words in comprehension text. Kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get updates on all our new videos. Once again, let us assure you of a very interesting discussion. Get ready for this lesson. Replacing words or underlying words in comprehension text is one thing students find difficult in comprehension text. Most often, candidates do not answer questions on replacing certain words in the passage, and as a result, they lose marks for that. In every comprehension passage, certain words are underlined, and candidates are asked to provide a word or phrase which has the same meaning as the underlined word, and which at the same time can fit or replace perfectly into the passage. In dealing with this aspect of comprehension text, candidates should note that the word class of the word is very important. Is the underlined word a noun, a verb, an adverb, or an adjective? Use this as a guiding principle for replacing words into comprehension text. If the underlined word is an adjective, then your answer must be an adjective. And if it is a noun, your answer must also be a noun. Same applies to an adverb and verbs. Most of the times, the underlined word could be a verb. If the underlined word is a verb, then candidates are expected to replace the word or to replace the verb with respect to tenses. If the verb is in the present tense, then your answer should be in the present tense. If the verb is in the past tense, then your answer must be in the past tense. Let's consider this example. He vacated his premises yesterday. The example again. He vacated his premises yesterday. Let's consider this sentence carefully to establish our point. We all know that vacated in this sentence means to leave something. However, the verb is in the past tense and cannot be replaced with a present tense. Let's try doing that. He left his premises yesterday. This sentence is grammatically wrong and will be marked wrong by every examiner. Let's now try replacing the word vacated with the past tense of leave. Our sentence will look like this. He left his premises yesterday. He left his premises yesterday. Also, in a situation where a word is underlined together with an article, candidates are expected to present answers that contains articles as well. Remember, the word you are using to replace the underlined word must have the same meaning as the underlined word, and at the same time must be able to fit perfectly into the passage. Let's consider the following example. Tourism plays a significant role in the socio-economic development of Ghana. Tourism plays a significant role in the socio-economic development of Ghana. If you are asked to replace the word significant in a passage, the possible synonyms you'll be thinking of are important, essential, crucial, and vital. It should be noted that even though the word important has the same meaning as the underlined word significant, it cannot replace the word in the passage. Therefore, replacing significant with important is wrong. Let's try that. Tourism plays an important role in the socio-economic development of Ghana. Tourism plays an important role in the socio-economic development of Ghana. This sentence is grammatically wrong. The word important does not agree with the article a. You can only replace it when the article is an. Let's try that. Tourism plays an important role in the socio-economic development of Ghana. Tourism plays an important role in the socio-economic development of Ghana. However, the article that has been used in the question is A. Therefore, using the word important is wrong. Candidates have to be careful when replacing words in passage. The other words are crucial and vital. They have the same meaning as the underlined words and can fit and replace the word perfectly. Let's use them in the passage or the text provided. Tourism plays a vital role in the socio-economic development of Ghana. Tourism plays a vital role in the socio-economic development of Ghana. Let's now use the word crucial. Tourism plays a crucial role in the socio-economic development of Ghana. Tourism plays a crucial role in the socio-economic development of Ghana. Tourism plays a crucial role in the socio-economic development of Ghana. Thanks for watching this short video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video.